Hello, my name is Haris. I'm a Filipino national born 1997 and I am married. I am searching storekeeper or warehouse in charge jobs in the UAE. I have work experience in Saudi Arabia and good computer skills in ERP, Oracle, SAP, and Excel computer application. My qualification is basic study and I have total 16 years of work experiences. I have studied in Data Center Computer College in computer and front office management. I possess skills such as inventory, actual inventory versus computer inventory. I have handled more responsibilities such as counting items and actual versus listing. I possess computer skills in software. If any vacancy in available, please contact Gov Job Seeker to arrange my online interview. Thank you.